morning everyone and welcome to the Sweet Beats channel this morning. Today we are going to be looking at a linear groove stroke fill which I saw by Tony Royster Jr. Now actually I didn't see him play this, a friend of mine saw him on YouTube doing this and then showed me. If you don't know what linear playing is when we're striking or a drum with our hands or our feet, but only one at a time, so it's on its own. So it has a very distinct sound to it. This is a really cool kind of feel groove idea because it has many applications, and when we try and teach things, I try not to do things just like teaching a fill or a lick, but this has lots of different applications, the way you can play it and voice it around the drum set. This is only a taster, really, the tip of the iceberg as far as linear playing goes. The great educator Gary Chafee has written this book, which is Linear Time Playing, and if you want to delve a little bit more deep into it, you can check this book out. It's published by Alfred Publication. It's a very good book, lots of stuff to get your teeth into there. So the phrase we're going to be looking at, like I say, was shown to me by a friend, but he saw it played by the great Tony Royster Jr., who you probably know came out in the early 90s and saw like a child protege playing with Dennis Chambers, the legendary Dennis Chambers, and since then he's done lots of work. I think his main gig at the minute is with Jay-Z. So the way this linear pattern works is it's between the hands and the bass drum. So if you look at the music on the screen now, you can see, and I've got the music up here on the chart, it basically goes bass, left, right, bass, left, right, bass, left, right, and then it switches left, bass, right, left. So a bit like when we probably start learning to play triplet between the hands and feet, right, left, bass, like that. So it has a certain pattern to it, but then the pattern switches round. So what I'm going to do first off is I'm going to play really slowly between, well, I'm going to put the right hand on the ride cymbal, left hand on the hi-hat, and then obviously using my bass drum foot, but the left hand's going to come over to play the snare as well. So it's going to go between these three instruments here and the bass drum. I'm going to play it really slowly to start with. It takes a little bit of time to get your head around it, and then I'll slowly build up the tempo. And then I'm going to show you some applications, how we can use it as a groove, how we can then put it around the drum set. So as I say, lots of different things you can do with it. Have good fun with this one. It's a really useful pattern. And I'll see you on Friday for the snare drum review. Have a great week, and I'll see you later. Bye.